Grabe naman yun. Pinakaunang magandang depensa. 2 points by Blue at the Lasher. Power move. 2 points by Atala. Oh, good, good. 2 points by Dada. Marky, lubog. 2 points by Marky. Atalasio. 2 points by Atalasio. Dada, easy basket by another 2 points by good. 2 points. Marky. Boom, it's smoke. 2 points by 2 points by Carr. Wow! 3 points by Carr.
Tama to, lagi sir. Ito na dapat.
Shoot. Wala. 2 points.
Hindi ako yung sir.
MJ. No, 2 by M. 2 points by Atanas. Ooh, 2 points by Carr. 2 points. No, 2 by Atanas. Minute and 15 seconds. Carr pull up. 2 points by Carr. 15 seconds. Dada. Easy basket by Dada. Ang gandang laban. Pagalitan ito ang score. 21-18. 2 points by Carr. First pass. Dada. Easy basket by Dada. No good. Rebound by Tico. 2 points by Tico. How sorry.
Lumadigaw.
2 points.
Mga hybrid ka. Sabi yan.
Hey, grabe yun! Kala ko din. Pula, pasok ka na yun. Easy basket by Dada. 2 points by Carr. Rio, easy basket by Rio. Marky! Pinalisay sa Eric! Kaso, hindi na shoot. 2 points by Rio. 4 minutes exactly. Agad play at an assault 2 points. Mata, 2 points by Mata. Bah! 2 points by Mata. Last 3 minutes. Rio reverse. Easy basket by Rio. 5 na lang. Rio. 2 points. 3 na lang. Points by Bruce. 3 seconds. 15 to shoot. Dada pull up. Easy basket by Dada. Silbay Bahay. Grabe naman yung hustle ni Bahay. Easy basket. 3 seconds. Sayang. Nakadito tayo guys ha. Importante na ano dito. Kung gusto nyo marana. Felipe, aga mo ba? Grenzo. Survive. Easy basket by Ram. Libre. Two-pointers, so good. Libang na Felipe. Face. easy basket by Felipe. Masjid pull up, 2 points. Master. Berlong for 3 down. Good. Nice drop, easy basket, 2 points. Kalasan para mag-free throw lang. Number 9. 2 points for Black Sun. 3 seconds remaining. 10. Bang, 3 points. To number 9. Pull up, low 3, and pass home. 3 points for number 9. Magno mag-isa si basket.
Hindi mo lang ng pasakalan.
Berlong for 3. Bang!
Init to ah.
Ganda talaga ng 10 to shoot. Bang! 3 points by Black Thunder. Magno kaliwa. 2 points by Walter. Medyo madulas. Mag-ingat ka, idol. Pull up. Bang! 2 points. Two points by Walter. Magno. 2 points by Masji. Walter, nagbabalik. Yun na nga! 2 points. Ayaw kung gusto niya. To Masji. 2 points by Masji. Pero easy basket, naman na sila ng isa. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Set up by Walter, ang ganda nun. 2 points. So, grabe yung laban na to. 1 minute remaining. Bang! 2 points. Tumago. 10 to shoot. Run, easy basket, naman na 10 to 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 2 points by Berlong. Last. Sayang. Ang ganda lang ba? 2 points, lumataw. 2 points by Mikey. 10 to shoot. Drenzo, mapit na. Lista mo na, basta si Drenzo. Make naman, make na naman. 2 points. Grabe na yung game. Basta naka-jersey ng Radius, discounted ka sa ating katawi. 2 points for the Wow, 2 points for number 35. Step back by Sian. Wow, nothing but left by 2 points.
Ako, pala hinahanap.
2 points. No 3.
Ano, di sino? Wala.
2 points by Drenzo. Lumilipad. Sian lilipad. Sian to make off. 2 points. Bang! 20 seconds. 2 points. 3. Sian. Next rebound by Lodi. Easy basket by Lodi.
Alin.
2 points.
Sa linggo? Tuloy ba? Tayo ng player eh.
Ha?
Babalitaan ko kayo. Babalitaan ko kayo.
Balitaan mo kami?
Pwede.
Grabe, Jenny. 2 points by Charles.
Ha? Gusto ko sa kayo maglaro. Gusto ko maglaro eh. Ako na hindi masali eh.
Ha?
Grabe.
Pag di ka nagbayad bukas, ba't ka? Pwede ba yun?
2 points.
Pwede ba yun?
Raisa. Uy. EJ. Bang. 2 points by E. Bang. 3 points by Pico.
Naglaro ngayon ah. Ilan yan? 4 cities? Ha?
2 points.
Hindi pa siya sa linggo? Okay,
2 points.
Monday.
Sian lumabas. 2 points by Greco. Ooh. 2 points by Lodi. Good. Dario, easy basket. Bumps. Pinagkatanda niyo yung tropa niya. Malalamod yan. Two points. 5. Still by Bakal, kanina pa yan ah. Super, doon. Drapas to Jaja, first fire. Easy basket by fire. Wow, 2 points by Dario. Pahanan ng kaliwa. Magod. Sino naman kay Bakay? Grabe ka naman yung Steel Bakay. Wow! 2 points. Jaja, easy basket by Jaja. Bakay, grabe naman yung Bakay. 2 points by Jaja. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Easy basket. Two points. Sila naman ni Bakay. Grabe na Bakay. Bakay and Jaja connection. Two points by Carl. Foul, 3 points. Two points. One, 2 points. Follow up, 2 points. Easy basket. Still, Bakay, 2 points. Grabe yun. 2 points. Bang! 3 points. Pull up. 2 points is good. by number 9. 2 points, it's good. Tatlo na lang ang Calano. 2 points by Jack. Bam! 2 points na. Easy basket by Seal. Pero kung wala, proceed tayo sa loser ng game 1 versus loser ng game 2. 2 points. Two points by Baka. Nandun po si Jaja. 2 points. 30 seconds. 2 points. 2 points by Sian Grabe yun.